The Xiaomi V666 Mini RC Drone brings together high-definition aerial photography, intelligent flight stability, and obstacle avoidance into one ultra-lightweight, foldable drone. Weighing just 119 grams, this drone is ideal for beginners, travelers, and drone hobbyists who want smart features without the need for registration. With a built-in remote controller display screen, a brushless motor system, and a remotely adjustable 8K camera, the V666 Mini Drone delivers high-end functionality in a compact form. Key features and specifications: 8K HD adjustable camera, 180 degrees tilt. Capture crystal clear images and videos with remote-controlled camera tilt. Gesture control, 50x zoom, and automatic photo modes add fun and ease to your shots. Foldable and lightweight design, 119 grams total weight. Super portable, fits in your pocket or bag. No drone registration required in most regions. Smart flight modes. Intelligent obstacle avoidance, detects and avoids nearby objects. Optical flow positioning, precise indoor and outdoor hovering. Headless mode, one-key takeoff or landing, gravity sensing, trajectory flight, and emergency stop. Remote controller with built-in display screen. No need to connect a phone, view live footage directly. Simplified experience for beginners and casual flyers. Brushless motors. More efficient, powerful, and quieter than brushed motors. Longer lifespan and smoother flight experience. Flight performance. Flight time, up to 12 minutes per battery. Charging time, = 90 minutes. Control distance, 200 meters. Real-time image transmission, FPV up to 30 meters. Extra features: body lights headlight, music sync, 6-axis gyroscope, one-key calibration, and more. What's in the box? Xiaomi V666 Drone. Remote controller with built-in screen. 3.7V 1600 mAh battery. 8 spare propellers. Screwdriver. USB charging cable. Memory card. Card reader. HD camera, built-in. 2 Wi-Fi manuals. Storage bag. User manual. Who is the V666 drone for? Beginner drone flyers. Travelers who need a lightweight camera drone. Social media creators and vloggers. Hobbyists looking for obstacle avoidance and easy FPV flying. The Xiaomi V666 Mini Drone offers an impressive package, with 8K camera capability, smart stability controls, and screen-based remote viewing, all under 120 grams. With its brushless power, foldable body, and beginner-friendly features, it's a top choice for those looking for performance and portability without breaking the bank. Capture, control, create with the Xiaomi V666, your smart sky companion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, flight tests, and tutorials.